Is your L stick on your Xbox One controller not working the way it should? That can be super annoying, but don't worry, I've got the fixes that you need to get it working again. So first, let's make sure that your controller is clean. Sometimes dirt or dust can get stuck in the joystick, making it hard to move. So grab a microfiber cloth and gently clean around the L stick. The simple step can fix a lot of issues. Next, you're going to check the controller connection. So if your controller is wired, make sure that the cable is also properly plugged in. If it's wireless, try reconnecting the controller by holding the sync button until it connects. All right? Now let's check the settings in your game. So some games like Fortnite or Call of Duty have dead zone settings that control how much of the L stick moves before it registers. If the dead zone is too high, it can feel like the L stick isn't responding. So lower the dead zone to make the L stick more sensitive, all right? Now, if that doesn't work, try restarting your Xbox. Sometimes a quick reset can help to fix the controller issues, all right? Finally, if nothing helps, it might be time to update your controller's firmware or even get a new one if it's broken, all right? So I hope these tips help. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.